There's a beautiful picture of campus. So this is actually one of my favorite shots of MTSU. There were a lot of students out today just enjoying the weather, and the weather will be more enjoyable to come later on as well. And you'll just have to find out more after the break.
Well, Janida, I know that Sunday was the first official day of spring. It didn't really feel like it to me, though.
It absolutely didn't, and I'm hoping Piper Evans can tell us more about that with our main look at weather.
Well, on the contrary, Alex, it is the earliest spring we have had since 1896, according to earthsky.org. It happens rarely on leap year, and it just happened this year. We started on March 20th. It usually starts on the 22nd, so we were actually early for spring this year. But for right now in your current conditions, it is about 68 degrees outside. It was very comfortable today. The wind was about 19 miles per hour. It was kind of violent if you ask me. My hair was just blowing everywhere, but humidity was down as well, which was pretty good. It made it very comfortable. Humidity was at about 17%. That's very low because usually the high for humidity is about 70%. And tonight we have a 0% chance of rain, which I know we're all happy about. It'll just be a very comfortable night. And now as we take a look at your weather headlines, tomorrow will be sunny just like today, but we will have some clouds. It'll just be very comfortable. It will be cooler in the morning time, but the temperatures will go up during the day as well. We are in that time of the season where it's going to be cold in the morning and then hot in the afternoon. Expect some rain throughout the week. We are in spring now, so just be expecting more rain to help us get more into spring. Temperatures will be very comfortable this week. They'll be about the 50s to mid 60s as well. And now as we look at your daily weather almanac, the high for today was about 67, the low about 49 tonight. It will be chilly tonight. That's a little bit above average for what we're used to. It's about 55 degrees this time of year for the high and about 39 for the low. And sunrise and sunset are getting a little bit longer. We did enter the vernal equinox, which means that the sun actually went over the equator, and that made our nights and days about equal. So that is why the sun is actually setting and rising about the same time. Now let's look at tonight's forecast. Nashville area will be about 50, Shelbyville 48, Columbia 48, Portland 48. And as we move on west, Clarksville will be 51, Waverly 51, and Waynesboro 48 as well. And as we go east over here into Jamestown, it'll be about 45, Crossville 46, and McMinnville 45. A little bit lower in the east, so I guess we're just in a really good spot tonight. And now let's look at your radar. There's really nothing going on in the southeast right here. A little bit of rain and snow mixed over here. We will see some aftermath, no snow but rain. And now as we take a look at tomorrow's forecast, the high, it'll be beautiful tomorrow, you guys. Please get outside tomorrow. The high will be about 72 in our area, and it'll range between the 70s and the 60s around the area. And now let's look at your 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, the high will be 67, low 49. Thursday, we have a 70% chance of rain. The high will be 68, low 60. Friday and Saturday will be sunny with a little bit of clouds. The high for Friday will be 57, low 38. And then as we start off on Sunday for Easter, we have a 50% chance of rain, high 69, low 49. On Monday, we have another 50% chance to kick off your week, high 65, low 49. And Tuesday will be about 68, low 43. Well, that's all for your weather. Now back to the desk.
Definitely looking forward to tomorrow. Thanks, Piper. Still ahead on MT10 News.